Alright boys, welcome to a brand new video now. In today's video we're back on the modifications. We've done a couple driving videos, but today we've got three things that we're going to be doing to the car. Now I'm going to walk you around them now. Before we get into the video, if you'd like and subscribe down below, and also check out all our social medias, they'll all be in the description. But yeah, I'll walk you around the car now and show you all the mods. Okay, so the first mod that we're going to be doing is just a little boot ring, just the black one that goes over the top, just to get rid of that big bit of chrome. And that's all we're going to be doing around the back, I think, because we've already taken the badges off and all of that. So do the boot ring, then if we go on the front, I'll show you the main part of the video. So around the front, I've got a new black front grille to go in, so it would get rid of all this, the whole new thing, and it has the double slats as well, like the M4s. And also I've got these blue things. These, apparently they just clip over the top of the crash bars in the grille, so then it would just give a speck of blue. I don't know if you can even see them, they're quite invisible. With these blue things on them, they just fit over the top. Hopefully that'll just, you know, lighten the car up and bring some of the interior to the outside. Alright, so I've got the little boot ring in this box. We're going to do this first as it's well easy. It should literally just stick on and then be done. But yeah, here it is. Alright, okay, so take that off, then stick this on the inside. Okay, so then this literally just sticks over the top of that. We've already cleaned it and everything. Alright. Bang. Just like that. That looks so good. Another little modification complete. I think that's all on properly. Yes, that's so sick. Nice. A little bit of dechrome in. I don't know why they put chrome on cars, you know, it just looks awful. I mean, some cars it looks alright, but that is so much better. And that's still nice. Love to see it. Alright, now let's move around the front, do the main part, really. Just take the whole bumper off. Alright, so I'm going to quickly open the front bonnet inside. Alright, so I'm pretty sure what you do is you take this rubber seal off, just like this, and then it shows you all the... So take that off and then put it somewhere. I don't know where, put it here for now. And then I've already got the bit ready. And I'm pretty sure we literally undo these, and I don't need to take the whole bumper off, you just need it to be able to, so you can just pull it away to reach your hand under, so you can undo the clips. So hopefully this all goes to plan. Right, so that's them off. There's these little clips here as well. How do I get this off? This. Oh, there you go. Just pull it. Nice. So now it's the moment of truth. Oh, I see him. I see him. Okay. That's that one done. That's them top three done. And these are these side ones. Like that. Like that. That's just the bottom ones somehow. You can see him in there.
Move it like that. I'll hold it. Can you put your hand in there?
There's that one done.
Yeah.
This is actually quite painful. Yes, nice. Alright, Jesus. That was actually very painful. But it's out, thank God. Alright. Okay, so for the next one, hopefully I'll just be able to reach my arm around here and it'll be a lot more simple. Nice. Alright. Second one out.
I think you should leave it like that.
Yeah, I mean, probably helps aerodynamics, you know. Actually, no, it probably doesn't at all. Right, now I need to put the blue things on. I'm hoping they just clip over the top. Alright, so these are the blue shoes, one of them. Hopefully, it literally just slips over the top. I mean, I could have wrapped it, but I just got a feeling there would have been bubbles and all sorts. So, I'll put it in. To make sure it's
extra layer of protection now if you get in a crash.
Exactly, it's for safety.
That'll make your insurance cheaper now.
Yeah, that should be done. That looks decent, you know. That looks decent, look at the difference. That does look good, doesn't it? Oh, when the grille's on as well over the top. Right, let's put the other one on. Okay, so both of them are now on, the little blue things. And they literally just clipped over the top as you saw. Easiest mod, once the grills are out. Now,
better than wrapping it?
Yeah, a lot easier as well. And hopefully they stay on, which I don't see why they wouldn't. But these apparently, well they will, they just literally push in. So this should be nice and easy, he says. Alright, so that side's kind of gone in, but I'm going to try and get it all in and then just do it all up and then carry on so I can push a bit harder on it. Okay, so the results are here. And the boot is obviously done, the blue bits are on, and used with a lot of force, the grille is finally complete. So as you can see, if you go a bit lower, you can actually see the blue behind it as well. And I think that, I say it every mod we do, but that is definitely the best mod we've done. It's the biggest difference as well, like the double slats and the blue, and just getting rid of that horrible chrome as well. I just did, chrome, I don't know why they put it on, honestly. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. The grille and everything looks insane. I'm well pleased with it. Yeah, if you did enjoy the video, leave a like and subscribe down below. Also comment any other mods apart from the Max and Design body kit, any other things that you think I can do to the car. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe again, and I'll see you in the next one.